Manchurian is everyone's all-time favorite. I make this often and they turn out great every time. But today I am sharing the recipe of chicken Manchurian. It can also be called the updated version of Manchurian and they were very tasty. So let's start making it. So here first of all, to make a chicken Manchurian, I have taken 200 grams of chicken. I have washed it thoroughly and chopped it with the electric chopper. Don't grind it at all and make a mincemeat, nor keep a large pieces. Keep its size as small as peanut. Along with this, we will add 2 medium-sized chopped carrots, a big piece of chopped cabbage. This is approximately 1 medium bowl. Then take 1 medium-sized capsicum. We should not chop a capsicum in a chopper because if we will chop it in a chopper, it will release water and will become completely soft. So we will cut it into small pieces with the help of knife. Now in this here, I am adding a cup of all-purpose flour and a half cup of corn flour. We have to add all-purpose flour and corn flour by measuring because adding too much flour and corn flour will suppress the taste of veggies and chicken in Manchurian and it won't be that much tasty to eat. So try to keep the quantity of flour and corn flour less. Now I am adding 1 spoonful of red chili powder in it. You can keep its quantity more or less as per your convenience. Now I will add half a spoon of red chili flakes in it, half tablespoon black pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped ginger garlic, 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce, 1 medium spoon of soya sauce, and lastly we will add salt according to our taste. Now we will add very little water in it because we have not added much flour and corn flour in it, and Chinese sauces are also liquidy. Hence we will add only 3 to 4 spoons of water in it and we will keep mixing it with light hands. In this you can increase or decrease the quantity of dry spices according to your taste, and it's important to add chopped ginger garlic and Chinese sauces in it. Due to this it will get the Chinese flavor, so don't skip it at all. While mixing it, do not make very thin pakoda type batter. We will make it like soft dough so that it remains crunchy after frying. So here a soft dough is ready. Now keep it aside. And now we will prepare Chinese chutney to eat with these Manchurians. For this we will take a bowl and put a half cup of tomato sauce in it. Then add 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of Szechuan chutney, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, and to bring a vibrant reddish color to it, we will add a little red food color. Red food color is optional here. You can skip it if you want. Now add 2 tablespoons of water and mix these sauces well. Here also we have to add the quantity of soya sauce and red chili sauce as per measurement because their taste is also very sour and we have to keep this sauce a little sweet. So after mixing all the sauces, the chutney to eat with the chicken Manchurian ball is ready. So now we will fry the chicken Manchurian balls here. Here to fry these Manchurian balls, we will take enough oil in a pan to deep fry these Manchurian balls. First heat the oil on a high flame. When the oil gets heated well on a high flame, we will decrease the flame of the stove to medium to high. And now make small round shaped balls from this dough and put them in oil to fry. You don't need to give them a perfect round shape. It will be okay even if they are a little unequal, so that after being fried, the crunchiness remains in them. First of all, we will fry these Manchurian balls on a medium to high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. After frying for 2 to 3 minutes, we will slow down the flame of the stove so that these balls get cooked properly from inside also, because we have added chicken in it. So it is important to cook the chicken also. So again on a slow flame for 2 to 3 minutes, we will fry them well by turning them. Here after frying well from all the sides for 6 to 7 minutes, the chicken Manchurian balls have been fried well. You can see their color. Just seeing them you will want to eat them quickly, and they are as crunchy as you buy them from market. So in this way we will fry all these Manchurians in 2 batches. So now let's garnish it with julienne cut cabbage and the chutney we made from Chinese sauces. First of all we will put these Manchurian balls on the bottom of the plate. On the top of this we will put julienne cut cabbage. We will also keep the quantity of cabbage a little more here because it's very enjoyable to eat this Manchurian with this cabbage. And now we will pour the Chinese chutney we have prepared on it. Just seeing this makes my mouth watering. The combination of cabbage, sauces and Manchurian taste is so delicious that you will want to make it again and again. So you must try this recipe and tell us by commenting how you like this recipe. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.